Today we're here in Danbury, Connecticut to remove and install a 275-gallon oil tank. Let's go check out the One of the first steps to removing an oil tank is to get out any remaining viable fuel. And with state-of-the-art filters, we get nothing but the good stuff. Let's go. Now with all the good oil removed, you know what time it is. Time to cut, clean, and remove.
This here is our 275-gallon, 25-year oil tank. It has a double bottom, and it also has a tank indicator that lets you know if your tank is ever compromised. It helps prevent oil from spilling into your house. Let's go install this bad boy.
And here we have our double-walled 275-gallon Granby oil tank. Installed, fresh, clean, ready to go. That's another job for C2G.
At C2G, our mission is simple: customer compliance guaranteed. No job is too big or too small. Call C2G today.